Hey guys, Mr. Steel Farmer here, back with another video. Disclaimer: this recording is gonna be like low quality. It's gonna be like if you expect it to be like if Minecraft watching normal YouTubers would be real life, this is Minecraft. That was a bad analogy. Let's just get into the video. So happy holidays, everyone. I just want to wish you guys happy holidays. Hope you had a fun time. I know I did, but my break is ending sadly, so you know what that means. We have to go back to school. And for those of you who don't know, I'm only 14, so I still gotta go through school and stuff. But yeah, I've had a great winter break. And I just want to wish all of you very merry, happy holidays to you guys. And yeah, so this is gonna be pretty much the video. Make sure to leave a like and please subscribe. It would super duper help out the channel. And yeah, so I hope you guys have a really good Christmas or Hanukkah, or just have a great holiday. So yeah, so have a happy holiday, stay safe, and yeah, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!